Okay, let's get this thing started. Spaghetti, the easy way. Now, if you're going to have meat with this, or like sausage links or something, just go ahead and preheat those and cook them up in your skillet. All we're going to use is a 10-inch skillet, one pot to make this whole thing, and then just set those out on a paper plate, and then you're going to get the rest of this stuff cooked really easy. I'd love to try this over a campfire too, because it's going to be hot enough to boil this stuff, and we'll have a little salad with it. Okay, easy way to make camper sketty. Alrighty, got our water going on a nice rolling boil there. Looking good. That's all it's got to be, just a little bit boiling. And I don't know about you on how you make your sketty, but that's too long for the pan. Break it in half. That works really well for me. Just gonna break it up a little bit. About a teaspoon and a half, maybe a tablespoon of salt. Optional, of course, if you have a problem with salt. Cover it back up, let her come to a boil, and then we're going to set a timer for about, love this little thing, cheap, 10 minutes. We're going to let her cook up. Okay, already got the salad made, so that's done while the water was heating really quick. Here we go. Let's see what we get. Alrighty, been 10 minutes. Let's check this bubble boy out. Take a strand or two there. See if that's tender enough to eat. Now some people go for al dente, stick to your teeth, and that's what it does. Makes you look ugly. Because you got pasta sticking to your teeth. That's done. That's good and tender. So what I'll do, go ahead and just strain that out. Dollar store, by the way. Yep. If you're at a campfire, close to the campfire, but not out. All right. Turn that back to the heat. I'm going to use some Classico. You can get this 99 cents a jar. Makes 3 two-person meals. So it makes a lot. Now I got a lot of pasta in here, granted. If you had your meat, you just toss that back in, warm it up, and use a little Italian seasoning. So no meat tonight. A little bit of cracked pepper. And just going to toss that around. So if you have meat in here, this would be a good meal. There we go. A one-pot meal. The bad stuff for you, of course, is the sauce. If you want to make your own, thaw it out. Toss it in there. Temperature off. And we'll just cover that, and you're ready. So that's an easy way, one pot camping, on a stove, on a campfire. As long as you can boil water, you can cook everything in one pot. It's all done. Very, very easy. I tried the Classico. If anybody's got any suggestions for a better sauce that they might like, would love to hear about it. And of course you can go over the top with seasonings. I mean, crazy. If you have your own, I prefer to make my own marinara sauce. Let me know if there's some bottled ones you like, or even share with some folks down below on your favorite marinara sauce. This is easy. This took about 15-20 minutes, and I have the salads already done, drinks, everything's all ready to go. Thank you much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Maybe a tip for you.